The metaverse is an expansive digital universe where virtual reality, augmented reality, and the internet converge, creating immersive experiences that transcend physical boundaries. Investing in virtual real estate presents a myriad of opportunities. With platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox, investors can buy, sell, and develop virtual land, creating spaces for entertainment, commerce, and social interaction. The potential for high returns is enticing as demand for virtual properties continues to grow alongside the increasing popularity of the metaverse. However, this investment landscape is not without its risks. As we stand on the brink of this digital revolution, the metaverse represents a futuristic investment opportunity that could redefine how we perceive value and ownership. Engaging with this new frontier requires a forward-thinking mindset, as the possibilities are as vast as the virtual worlds themselves. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, understanding the metaverse is essential for navigating this exciting and evolving landscape. The metaverse is a collective virtual space that merges physical and digital realities, allowing users to interact within immersive environments. It encompasses a variety of virtual worlds where individuals can socialize, play, work, and create. These environments are rich with possibilities, offering everything from gaming experiences to virtual marketplaces where users can buy, sell, and trade digital assets. Key platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox are at the forefront of this digital revolution. Decentraland allows users to purchase virtual land and develop it into unique experiences, while the Sandbox focuses on user-generated content, enabling creators to build and monetize their own games and experiences. Both platforms exemplify the potential of the metaverse, showcasing how users can engage in social interactions and economic activities within these virtual realms. The technology that powers the metaverse is equally fascinating. Blockchain technology plays a crucial role by providing a decentralized framework for ownership and transactions, ensuring that digital assets are secure and verifiable. Additionally, advancements in virtual reality and augmented reality enhance user experiences, making interactions more immersive and engaging. Together, these technologies create a seamless blend of reality and imagination, allowing users to explore, create, and connect in ways previously thought impossible. As we delve deeper into the metaverse, understanding its components will be essential for navigating this dynamic and evolving landscape. Virtual real estate has become a captivating investment avenue within the metaverse, with several popular platforms and marketplaces leading the charge. Notable names like Decentraland, the Sandbox, and Somnium Space provide users with the ability to buy, sell, and trade virtual properties. These platforms allow investors to acquire parcels of land, which can be developed into various experiences, from art galleries to virtual storefronts. Buying virtual real estate typically involves creating a digital wallet to store cryptocurrencies, as most transactions are conducted using digital currencies like Ethereum. Once you have your wallet set up, you can browse listings on these platforms, place bids, or purchase properties outright. Selling and trading virtual properties is equally straightforward, allowing investors to capitalize on market trends and demand. Location and community play a significant role in determining the value of virtual real estate. Just as in the physical world, prime locations within the metaverse can command higher prices due to their visibility and accessibility. Properties situated near popular attractions or in well-established communities often appreciate more rapidly. Additionally, the vibrancy of the community surrounding a virtual property can enhance its appeal, attracting visitors and potential buyers. As you explore virtual real estate opportunities, understanding these dynamics will be crucial for making informed investment decisions and maximizing your returns in this exciting digital landscape. The investment potential of virtual properties has garnered significant attention, particularly as historical price trends indicate a growing market. Over the past few years, virtual real estate prices have surged. Successful case studies highlight the lucrative opportunities within this digital landscape. For instance, a virtual plot in Decentraland was sold for over $900,000, showcasing the potential for substantial returns. Similarly, the Sandbox has seen numerous high-profile sales, including a virtual estate purchased by a major gaming company, further validating the investment appeal of virtual properties. These examples illustrate how savvy investors can capitalize on the burgeoning demand for virtual real estate. Several factors influence property value in the metaverse. Location remains paramount, with properties situated near popular attractions or in high-traffic areas commanding higher prices. Additionally, the uniqueness of the property, including its design and the experiences it offers, can significantly impact its value. By analyzing these factors and staying informed about market trends, investors can make strategic decisions that enhance their chances of success in the evolving world of virtual real estate. Investing in the metaverse presents exciting opportunities, but it is essential to recognize the inherent risks involved. One of the most significant concerns is market volatility. The value of virtual properties can fluctuate dramatically, influenced by trends, technological advancements, and shifts in consumer interest. This volatility can lead to substantial financial losses for investors who are unprepared for sudden market changes. Regulatory challenges also pose a risk in the metaverse. As this digital landscape evolves, governments and regulatory bodies are still determining how to approach virtual assets and transactions. Uncertainty regarding regulations can impact the legality and security of investments, making it crucial for investors to stay informed about potential changes in the legal landscape. Additionally, the metaverse is not immune to scams and fraudulent projects. With the rapid growth of interest in virtual real estate, some unscrupulous individuals may attempt to exploit unsuspecting investors through fake properties or misleading schemes. By being aware of these risks and taking proactive steps to mitigate them, investors can navigate the complexities of the metaverse more effectively. Thorough research and a cautious approach will help ensure that investments are sound and aligned with long-term goals in this dynamic and evolving digital environment. Investing in the metaverse can be a rewarding venture, but it's essential to approach it with a strategic mindset. One of the best tips for newcomers is to start small. By investing a modest amount initially, you can gain valuable experience without exposing yourself to significant financial risk. As you become more comfortable and knowledgeable about the market, you can gradually increase your investments. Additionally, diversifying your portfolio across different virtual properties and platforms can help mitigate risks and enhance potential returns. Joining online communities is another effective strategy for successful investing. Platforms like Discord, Reddit, and specialized forums offer a wealth of insights and networking opportunities. Engaging with fellow investors can provide you with valuable information about market trends, emerging projects, and potential pitfalls. These communities often share experiences and tips that can help you make informed decisions. Staying updated with metaverse trends and news is crucial for any investor. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies, platforms, and investment opportunities emerging regularly. Following reputable news sources, blogs, and influencers in the metaverse space will keep you informed about significant developments that could impact your investments. By combining these strategies, starting small, diversifying, networking, and staying informed, you can enhance your chances of success in the exciting and dynamic world of metaverse investing. The future of virtual real estate is poised for remarkable evolution as the metaverse continues to expand and mature. As more individuals and businesses recognize the potential of immersive digital environments, the demand for virtual properties is likely to increase significantly. This growth could lead to a more structured market, with established norms and practices that enhance investor confidence and participation. Emerging technologies will play a crucial role in shaping the future of the metaverse. Advancements in virtual reality and augmented reality will create even more immersive experiences, allowing users to interact with virtual properties in ways that feel increasingly real. Additionally, developments in blockchain technology will enhance security and transparency in transactions, making it easier for investors to buy, sell, and trade virtual assets. As the metaverse evolves, new opportunities will arise, including virtual commerce, entertainment, and social experiences. These developments will likely create diverse revenue streams for virtual property owners, further increasing the appeal of investing in this space. To navigate this rapidly changing landscape, it is essential for investors to stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the metaverse. Following industry news, participating in online communities, and attending virtual events can provide valuable insights into emerging opportunities and potential risks. By remaining engaged and adaptable, investors can position themselves to capitalize on the exciting future of virtual real estate and the broader metaverse. In this video, we explored the exciting yet complex world of investing in the metaverse. We began by defining the metaverse and its components, highlighting the immersive virtual environments and social interactions that characterize this digital landscape. We then delved into the opportunities presented by virtual real estate, discussing popular platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox, and the importance of location and community in determining property value. However, investing in the metaverse is not without its risks. We examined common challenges such as market volatility, regulatory uncertainties, and the potential for scams. Understanding these risks is crucial for making informed investment decisions. We also provided practical tips for successful investing, emphasizing the importance of starting small, diversifying your portfolio, and engaging with online communities for insights. Looking ahead, the future of virtual real estate appears promising, driven by emerging technologies and increasing demand. Staying informed about developments in the metaverse will be essential for navigating this evolving landscape. As we conclude, we encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel Making Money Online Fast and sharing this video with others interested in investment opportunities. Explore more of our content to deepen your understanding of the metaverse and discover additional investment strategies. By staying engaged and informed, you can position yourself for success in this dynamic and exciting digital frontier. Thank you for watching.